Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see construction of another exciting robot, Save Earth. This robot will look like this when we construct and operate. Let's go and make it. In step 1, we are going to use two C plates and connect them using two 0.5-inch bolt and nuts here. Then we are going to connect one more rectangular plate to these two C plates using two more bolts and nuts here. And onto the square plate, we are going to connect one flat rotator using one 0.5-inch bolt and nut in a slanted manner like this. Same thing we are going to replicate on the other side. It's going to be a mirror image. So we'll take two C plates, connect them using 2.5-inch bolt and nuts here. Then take one more rectangular plate and connect it to these C plates using two more bolts and nuts. And finally, we will connect one flat rotator using one 0.5-inch bolt and nut in this manner here. We'll call these assemblies as assembly A. We'll move on to next step. Here we are going to make multiple assemblies. First, we'll take one flat connector and connect one L connector using one 0.5-inch bolt and nut this way. Now we are going to make 4 such assemblies. We'll call them assembly B. Then we'll take one big gear and connect 1-inch bolt to the big gear and tightly secure it using the nut. And then on that bolt, we'll put 2 spacers. We'll make 2 such assemblies and we'll call them as assembly C. Then we'll take one single bar and connect one flat rotator using one 0.5-inch bolt and nut to the single bar as shown here. If you see, this bolt is at the bottom of this slit, and that's why we get a circular hole in the middle of this bottom slit here. We are going to make 2 such assemblies and we will call them assembly D. Let's move on to next step. In this step, we'll take the assembly A and we'll take those 4 assembly Bs. 2 we are going to connect it here using one 0.5-inch bolt and nut here, one more 0.5-inch bolt and nut here. So those assemblies, B assemblies, 2 of them we have connected here and 2 of them we are going to connect this side. Let's move on to next step. Here we are going to make one more assembly using a square plate and we are going to connect a DC motor with motor shaft. And onto the motor shaft, we are going to insert 3 spacers and then on top of that, one flat rotator. This we'll call assembly E. Now in step 5, we will take this assembly E and we'll connect with the assemblies which we created in step 3 using 2 nut bolts here and 2 more 0.5-inch nut bolts here. So this assembly E is connected to these flat connectors. We are also going to connect one DC motor with motor shaft at this place here. And we are going to connect one axle. This axle passes through the 2 circular holes. We have attached a flat rotator here and flat rotator on the other rectangular plate. This axle passes through both of them. And on the other side, the rear side, we are going to connect one shaft lock. So it's locked from that side. And we are also going to connect 2 1.5-inch bolts here. Now, if you see, this bolt is in the 1, 2, 3 vertical slits gone, the horizontal slit is gone, and then the first vertical slit. We have put this 1.5-inch bolt, and this side, 1 horizontal slit gone, then 3 vertical slits gone, and in the middle of this horizontal slit, we have connected this bolt here. Let's move on to next step. Here we are going to attach this part C which we created, and that will be put on this axle and locked with a shaft lock. This side, the second of this part C, and is put on the motor shaft and locked using one shaft lock. Let's move on to next step. Here we will take those D parts which we created, two of them, and then we are going to connect them here. One to the 1.5-inch bolt which we had attached. There we have put this circular hole and we have coupled a nut very loosely. And the second one, the 1-inch bolt which was there on this gear, we have connected that also here loosely. Similarly on this side, another D part, connect one nut here loosely coupled, one nut here loosely coupled. And that completes the Save Earth project. And now we will paste the hands on these two single bars here, and we will paste the earth on this flat rotator, which is on the other motor. So when we operate this motor, this earth is going to rotate, and these two hands, they are going to go into open close motion. And that's how our Save Earth robot works. I hope you will like to make this robot, and do write your comments in the comment section about how did you find this robot. We'll come back with more exciting robots in our next videos. Till then, happy making.